What's going on, guys? Curtis, I got your 2x8 done here. All new, this is your old parts that you wanted to save. I went ahead and new heat sink and everything else. I sent you pictures of the inside. Put a new variable in it. I don't know why they had a 250 ohm variable, but preamp, sideband delay. It is biased on off. See here, we got 5-watt slug in reverse back there. Use a 350 belt 29. Dead key in roughly 2 watts. Audio test 1 2 1 2 audio. So about 40 pass through tune. Audio. About 1/8 of a watt. Turn your, well, I gotta plug it in. Alright, let's try it again. Turn your box on. Input tune. Audio, about 1/4 of a watt. And we'll show you output. Green there is reflect coming back from the dummy load. Audio, test 1 2, audio. So right around 700 average and 2100. Hello, audio, 1 2 3, audio. So there you go, sir. She's doing pretty good. I will throw you in a couple stickers also if you want to put it on here. Let's see here. Sideband delay. I don't know if you can hear it. And your preamp. Of course, you ain't gonna move on the dummy load. Turn it up. There we went. Hopefully you can hear it. But anyway, Curtis, thank you. I appreciate it.